Hi friends, today we're going to show you how to install ready-to-install faux teak panels. We will be doing the installation on this new boat that just arrived from the shipyard. This is a motorboat from the Italian brand Invictus, model TT280. For this boat was chosen the Isoteak Classic teak color. Let's take a walk around to show what the deck of this boat looks like before installation. The gel coat has a fairly deep anti-slip notch on it since the boat is new. This will improve adhesion, but will also require more sealant adhesive. Based on the design, we will need to putty some of these gaps. Here you see a set of Isoteak ready-to-install panels, made from templates taken from this boat. As you can see, there's a lot of detail here, some of which is quite intricately shaped. All panels are hot welded and are a complete finished element that we only need to install. So, let's start the installation. First of all, we will prepare the surface, putty, and sand some areas. The next step is to put all the panels in their place. Check their conformity and place them exactly where they belong. We can already see what our deck will look like. However, we still have a lot of work to do. Now we need to put masking tape around the contour of each panel. This will allow us to apply the adhesive sealant accurately and reduce the work of cleaning the gel coat after installation. This is what the deck should look like after this step is complete. Now we can remove all the panels and are ready to apply the sealant adhesive. We will need approximately 1 liter of adhesive sealant per 1 square meter of deck. Apply the adhesive sealant with a gun to an area of about half a square meter and spread it with a toothed trowel. Pay special attention to the edges so that a sufficient amount of sealant is also applied here. Use smaller spatulas for narrow areas. This is what the surface of the adhesive sealant should look like before gluing the panels on. The thickness of the sealant layer should be about 1 millimeter. We glue the long panels gradually in sections of about half a square meter. This allows you to work more neatly and not to step on a section of the panel that has just been glued. Of course, the small panels we glue on at once. Simply place it on the sealant, press it down slightly, and align it. Now proceed to roll the panels with a roller. Our task is to remove air from under the panel and press it evenly for adhesion with the adhesive sealant. Let's look at the gluing process again using this small part on the bow of the boat as an example. Well, by the end of the day, we're gluing the last little panels on. But be careful, the material must be warm at the moment of sticking, otherwise it will become stiffer, and it will be difficult to remove air from under the panels. Okay, today we need to remove the masking type, clean the deck, and enjoy the result. You can trim off the excess sealant that is sticking out the sides. This will make it easier to remove the masking type, and the gel coat easier to clean. A similar plastic tool can be used to remove the remaining sealant. Do not use a metal tool to avoid scratching the gel coat. Well, now it's time to enjoy the result. Notice how the Isoteak classic color is similar to the natural teak on the step above. Dear friends, we hope that this small video instruction will help you to make your Isoteak deck beautiful and high quality. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and a reminder that our DIY shop, Isoteak.com, will help you make your boat deck beautiful and inexpensive. Have a great day. Good luck with your projects. Ciao.